The stuff in this haul, literally by the end of this video, the whole haul is going to be in your basket because it's that good. As you've seen by the title, a haul from Missguided. This stuff is kindly gifted, so thank you so much for that. I remember I'd done a Missguided haul absolutely ages ago and everyone was so obsessed with everything I picked. Wait until you see the stuff in here. Literally, I'm not even going to ramble at this point. I'm just going to get straight into the haul. I need to show you this coat. Now, I know we're kind of like spring, but I just don't know how to shop appropriately for the weather. You can see her. Oh, she's so beautiful. Absolute Fendi vibes. I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed with it. It's so nice. It's so thick. It's like a duvet. That's the only way I can explain it. It's like a duvet. But the coolest thing is, so obviously it's like this brown monogram, but then it's actually reversible. Sorry, what? So it's like black, but it's like a very deep brown, but then it's got the MG like printed. I just thought this was so cool. I'm gonna put it on. Obviously, you're gonna see a trial clip. Also, if you see a roll, mind your business. I'm gonna put it on because it's so nice. And the good thing is, it's not too big on me neither. It's like a good oversized fit. I mean, obsessed. Let's get up. Let's show. What do they look at me? Love that. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Oh no. Here we go. This is probably the worst try-on you've ever seen in your life. I mean, I'm doing a try-on clip anyway. But it's so cute. I'm literally obsessed with it. So nice. The thing I love as well, can you see these like cuffed, what are these? Wrist bars? Cuff sleeves, is that what they're called? I don't know. I absolutely love that because I feel like it just makes it fit better. It also has thumb holes, which is so cute. I love a thumb hole. Let's go into this bag. So I kind of organised it because I've got quite a few coats. I just love coats and jackets. But then this is like the actual like clothing. So, let's get onto this. If you know, like I'm literally wearing one right now, I love it seamless and like ribbed. Look how this is just sitting. Because the quality is so good. Like it's literally sitting by itself. It's so thick. I've been looking for a thick rib cream dress for so long because I have like a plain black dress that I dress up all the time. But I wanted like a cream one because, you know, lighter colours. Having a simple dress like this in your wardrobe is so essential because you can wear it with heels. You can wear it with a denim jacket. You can wear it with a blazer. You can make it summer or you can make it winter. So you can wear tights and boots with a fur coat, or you can go summer with this little handbag and sandals. Such a versatile piece. I can't remember if they had this in other colours, but if they do, I definitely will pick them up. I grabbed this in, I guess, a smaller size. Yeah, extra small. I feel like you can see how thick it is through the camera, which says enough in itself. It makes me now want to explore the rest of Missguided's like seamless stuff, and I feel like you guys are going to love that. As you can tell, I'm loving this monogram print. I've got this MG Monogram Bodysuit. I did grab this in a bigger size. I got this in a 6 because this was the smallest size they had. I felt like it was fine, although it's not my normal size, it fitted fine. It's not suffocating, if you know what I mean, because sometimes they're suffocating. It's got the square neckline, which I think is so flattering. Like it just makes the shoulders look nice. You can put a bit of oil here, a bit of shimmer, and I thought you can wear this out for like drinks and stuff with heels, or you can chill it out with joggers. I think with a cream, pear or brown, because it's got 2 colours in it. It's actually brown, if you can see. And I really wanted some bodysuits because I've got so many crop tops. I just wanted to venture out, and I love long sleeve. Anything long sleeve is just my favourite because I don't really like my arms out. I don't know, I'm a bit funny about that. It would not be a China haul if I didn't grab it in another colour. Like that is my personality trait, apparently. I don't know which one I'm more obsessed with because I love me a neutrals colour, cream and brown, but this blue and white just looks amazing together. If you had some like white flares or trousers, it would look really good together. Again, long sleeve with the same square neckline. This is actually from the Petite section. I didn't do that on purpose. I just saw it in another colour, and I'm pretty sure they only had it in the Petite section anyway. They also had that bodysuit in the tall section, forgot to mention. It's a thong back with your little clippy things, because if they weren't clippy things, as a girl it's such a pain because you have to like take your jeans off and then unclip this and then clip it back, and like if you have nails on, it is a task. I really want to wear this with jeans, but I don't know if blue and blue is too much. It's like a double denim moment. You either love it or you hate it, and that's what I'm getting from this. I'm like really scared in case it doesn't look how I want. Let's just do another bodysuit. I promise this is last, I think. I love this one here. So it's more of a sweetheart neckline, still has that like square kind of shoulder cut, but it does actually have more of like a heart shape. It just frames, I tell you now, this makes you look like you have boobs when you don't. I mean, if you do, congrats, I wish I was you, but I don't. And this just makes me have like shape from the front and sides. Is this magic in a bodysuit? Maybe. It is a ribbed material, but it kind of feels a bit like, you know, the crepe material, a little bit like that, but like not uncomfortable. This is super, super versatile. Like leather shorts would look really nice, or tweed would look amazing, or just jeans. If you wanted a basic drinks or date outfit, jeans, faux leather leggings, and such a staple. I've been looking for a ribbed white bodysuit for so long, and I could never find the correct fit, and this just fits amazingly. So I'm super, super glad I got this. Let's go back into this bag and go on to another coat. If you haven't been living under a rock, you would know Varsity Jackets are the thing. Everyone's obsessed with them. I'm obsessed with them. You're obsessed with them. Let me just zip this up so I can show it a bit nicer, because I feel like I'm not holding up anything nice. I just rely on trying clips. It's basically a bomber jacket, but more of a varsity. It just says player embroidered on it with the white. I feel like white and khaki look really, really good together. Got the cuffed sleeves again with a zip. It's really, really thick and padded. You can literally see. It's got pockets. They're real pockets. Because it's got white on it, it gives you a gateway to styles. You can wear these on nights out as a coat, because you know when you need a jacket, you know it's going to ruin your outfit. This will not ruin your outfit. It will add to the outfit, if anything. You could also just wear it with like a white tracksuit. I feel like that's what I'm going to go for. Like white tracksuit, white trainers, white Nike socks, slick back hair. And as I said, it wouldn't be a China haul if I didn't grab it in another colour. It would have literally been so rude to just leave her there. Chocolate brown. Are we over chocolate brown? You might, but I'm not. I will never be over chocolate brown. Like, I love chocolate brown. Neutrals have my heart, but I had to get a chocolate brown one. It's just so nice. Again, with the white embroidery. If we're thinking the same thing, beige outfit. Defo beige outfit. What I was thinking, actually, either one of these, but I'm feeling this one more because chocolate brown, so yummy, with that white bodysuit and jeans, or joggers. Like if you had joggers at the same colour as this with the white bodysuit, beautiful, and the quality is just insane. Let's go on to jeans. Whenever I do a haul from somewhere, always have to pick up a pair of jeans just to test them. And you guys know me, I'm a 5-foot girl. I'm very, very short. I actually filmed a like petite girls trousers guide a couple months ago, and I actually showed Missguided jeans in there because they are so good for petite. They are just these black kind of washed colour, because I don't like stark black. I hate stark black jeans. It has to be this type, and I don't have many ripped jeans, and I really wanted a black pair with rips that actually fit me, and these fit perfectly lengthwise, so perfectly. The only thing that's such a shame is the waist is just too big for me. These are actually a size 4, but they're just a bit too big, but nothing a belt can't fix. Quality of the jeans are so good as well. Missguided for petite is so good. I know a lot of my followers are the same kind of height as me, so we can relate on stuff. We can kind of tell each other where to shop, and I'm telling you, Missguided for jeans, the place. And then I grabbed something else from the petite section. This is a pair of like mocha, beigey, flared, ribbed flares, by the way. Again, with that white bodysuit. That white bodysuit is going to go with everything. I have like 2 pairs of flares, and they're just plain, so I wanted like a beigey colour because I love my neutrals. Lengthwise, these were nice. I just need to wear trainers with them. Like, I couldn't not wear trainers with them, otherwise they would be too long. The waist was just a little bit big, but nothing to worry about. Like, I could still wear them, but the quality is so good. Can you see? Like, they're not see-through. They're really thick, and they're comfortable, and they're warm. I know we are transitioning into spring, so we need to bring out our colour, but I will forever wear brown and like beige. Oh my god, how did I not show you these first? Now, if you know me and you watch my videos, you know how obsessed I am with cargos. I absolutely love cargos. I've got so many colours, literally love them so much. But a lot of my cargos are actually cuffed at the bottom, which I don't mind, but sometimes I do want more of a wide leg, and I've got like a jean version, but I wanted an actual like shell material. So I saw these in the petite section, bear in mind. These are so lovely. I'm obsessed. Missguided, please bring these out in more colours, because I could only find black, and now that I know they're just amazing, you need to have every colour. because I'm about to put everyone on these, and if we can only get black, we're going to be so sad. The waist fits amazingly. It's a super thick elasticated waistband, but it also has drawstrings that are actually real, so if you need even more cinching, you can do that. Quality is really nice. It's like that actual cargo material, supposed to like a denim. Of course, it wouldn't be a cargo without the pockets, and then it is actually wide on the bottom. I was really worried when I pulled these out of the bag, and I thought, oh my god, they're going to be way too wide, but trust me, wait until you see them on, they fit amazingly. If you're going to get anything from this haul, I know I said I love everything, but these cargos, please. I mean, and that first coat, but please, these cargos. I think we're on to our last 2 items now. I know we're going into spring. Why am I buying knitwear? I do not know. I'm always on the hunt for a nice, thick beige jumper for so long that fits good. And Missguided, you've only gone and pulled through. Wow. Like, isn't that the perfect colour? Because sometimes they're too white and then they're too warm, they're too cool. This is perfect. And the neck is not too high neither. Because I really hate my neck being super cut off. If you're literally up to here and you can't see my neck, I look like a floating head. And that's not what we want. The cut is amazing, so it's not too long, it's not cropped. It's just so good. Was this in the petite section or am I lying? Yeah, it was in the petite section, I am right. But I did grab a 2/4. If you want a more oversized fit, then obviously size up. But I love the fit of this. With like black ankle boots or long boots, fur coats, teddy coats, skirts, ties. I know we're coming out of winter, but it's still cold in England. I'm hoping this is in other colours because I need every colour. I'm just obsessed. And it's so thick. Like, I don't know if I mentioned about the quality. Like, the quality of all this stuff right now is mind-blowing. Now onto our last item, which I'm so sad about. So I saw this on the site and I was like, Prada cheap. I mean, it is. The only thing I'm sad about is it actually didn't come with the belt. The belt's missing. So I don't know what happened there. You know, these things happen sometimes. I'll pop a picture up of how it's meant to look with the belt. It looks really good with the belt, love that. But it's like an actual duvet, it's crazy. It's so thick. Has this nice collar. Yeah, no, I'm not even gonna bother holding this up because it literally just looks like black duvet, so you're just gonna have to stare at the pictures. But it's a really nice quality. I'm just so sad because I really want the belt, so I might try exchange it and just mention that the belt was missing or something. I don't know. I just want this coat so bad. I was thinking with some like faux leather leggings with black ankle boots, maybe a scarf tucked in there as well, just an all black moment with like a low bun. Anyway guys, that is the end of my Missguided haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much Missguided for sending me these items. I'm literally obsessed with everything. Like, I don't think I've ever had such a positive haul in my whole time on YouTube, and I've done a lot of hauls, and I'm sorry I keep touching my hair. It's just because it's like, you know, it's freshly washed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to me. Comment below any brands you want me to test out or your favourite item. Definitely tell me your favourite item. My 2 was the cargos and the first coats. Other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.